Hey guys, I'm Jayce. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge, and I'm very excited to show off my new to me sheet metal shears. So, up until about 8 months ago, I'd never seen a set of these, and these were at the place that my blacksmith shop haul video was based out of. And the guy didn't want to get rid of these because he wanted them for wall hangers, and I didn't blame him. But I did snap a picture with them and then did some research and learned a little more about them. And then a couple, 3 weeks ago, he showed up out here to have supper with me, and he said, I got something for you. And so we went out in the back of his car, and he had these bad boys and the 2 old forge blowers. And he said they just need to stay with the collection, and I agreed with him. This all came from the same place, so it's nice to keep it all together. So these, a lot of guys call them bench shears or anvil shears, and they're made to go either in like a hardy hole of your anvil, from my understanding, or in a hole in a bench. Now, I've yet to find a set this big. I see a lot of 30-inch ones, and I think a 40-inch one I saw, but these guys are 49 inches, so a little over 4 feet, and the jaws are a 12-inch jaw on them, so a whole foot, so wouldn't want to get your finger in there. And they're in really good shape. I don't think they've done a ton of cutting. There's no nicks in the blades. They're just very nice shape. So yeah, let's. I probably won't use them a ton, and obviously they're way too big for an anvil, so I have something I'm gonna rig up for that. Trying to think what else I wanted to say. It's very important. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna get a weight on them too, and see what they weigh here in a minute. But let's see how they cut. Alright, so this is just a piece of tin off my shop, and obviously that's super thin stuff. Actually cuts it pretty nice without distorting the rib too much, which is kind of cool. This is probably about a 16th inch thick. These are some ice and water shields I cut off of a rail for a barn door that I didn't need on there. And that cuts it pretty darn nice. Another one of these guys. And it just shears it off super nice. Now obviously I don't have a real sturdy background, but even cutting through the little ribs and stuff, they just do pretty amazing. Pretty excited about these big guys. I'm sure they made a bigger set out there, but these are definitely big enough for me. I don't know if I'd want to cut anything thicker than that, or have the need to, so it'd work perfect for that kind of thing. It really worked nice because they give you a nice clean line. You want to get your fingers in there, especially if you have a 2-man operation. Hold on, Bob. Wait, that's my finger. Oop, not no more. Of course, it has a nice little stop back here to keep from smashing your fingers. Pretty darn cool. Any of you guys out there have a set of these? Pretty cool. probably right about 35 pounds. The scale's off a couple pounds, I think, so probably right about 35, 36 pounds. So my plan is to make a bracket that goes into this old table, kind of a couple U-bolt type things that go down, and then I'll forge something for these to slide into just so it holds it, and if I ever want to use it, I can use it on my own table, which came from the same place that a lot of my other blacksmith stuff came from, like my swage block and all that. And then I can take it off and on, but probably won't use these a ton, but it would be nice to have a spot set up for them so I can use them if I need them. Cut some nice clean lines in sheet metal. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you liked getting a good look at these sheet metal shears. Just showing them to you because they're pretty cool old antique, and it's pretty fun to have them in the collection. So anyway, keep it simple, and we will see you guys in the next one.